Hey guys, this is Marshall from Pacific Reviews, and today I'm going to do a full review on the Apple Magic Trackpad, the Bluetooth wireless keyboard, and the Magic Mouse. So first I'll start off with the Magic Mouse here. I just have to turn it on and sync it up. But overall, first I'll just start off with ergonomically. I'm not so sure how well you can see this, but it is very thin, very nice, and it has some simple multi-touch features. That's where the Magic Trackpad comes in, where it adds, a whole more kind of addition of stuff. There we go, just connected there. So here it is. It slides easily on, pretty much any surface. The sensitivity, I have it set to a higher sensitivity because I don't have that much air to use it for. But overall, it is very good. It's a mouse, but $70 is still a bit steep for something like that. Moving on, now I have the Apple Magic Mouse, Magic Trackpad, sorry about that, and it is great to have an addition from a trackpad that's, I think this is 3 inches or something like that. To have a 4-inch square trackpad is really nice because, it fits your hand much better. You can do all the different gestures. So let's say I open up Safari here and go to Google, and then I do a new window and go to Apple right here. So I have this, you have all the gestures there and whatnot. You can go through them, and that's really nice. The Magic Trackpad is really thin. Here is the battery bay, and the actual clicking are just from these 2 feet here. They click. That's what all that is. Oh, I just actually clicked there, and it lines up really nicely with the Bluetooth keyboard, which is kind of cool because you can have a setup like this and it looks very nice. From that, I will now go to the Bluetooth keyboard. I'm actually not trying to rush this video. It's just more the fact that there's not much to be said about these. I mean, the Magic Mouse is a mouse that has the simple multi-touch gestures, and the Magic Trackpad has all the multi-touch gestures that is on any computer, any laptop, Apple laptop. So there's that. You always have the pinch to zoom and all that. So that's pretty much it for that. Going to the Bluetooth keyboard now. It's a little bit out of frame, so I'll kind of bring it in. It is the same look as the Magic Trackpad here. It has that same kind of little look there. And here it is. It is just basically if you've ever taken a MacBook, just a basic MacBook or the new MacBook Pros, and taking the keyboard out of that. That's what it is. But it's not backlit at all. You can see the missing keys there. But overall, it's just a Bluetooth keyboard. And again, for all these things to be $70, or $70 is really, really expensive when you add them all up. But I think you really can't have one without the other. I wouldn't recommend having a Magic Trackpad without the Magic Mouse, unless you're someone like me who only likes to use a trackpad. But you really can't have the Bluetooth keyboard without the Magic Trackpad or Magic Mouse. It just doesn't really feel the same. I think the keyboard itself is just like a keyboard from a MacBook or a MacBook Pro, so you don't have, so you really don't have like a really great kind of clicking dimension type thing. But the keys feel very nice, sturdy almost. But it's amazing how actually thin it is. You can kind of see it there, how thin it is, and actually how, the keys go all the way down. One little complaint I have is I really wish it was backlit. I think if they had done that, I think it would have made it a lot better. But overall, that's pretty much it. This has been Marshall from Pacific Reviews.